Communication works like this. Two people, okay? She's happy because it's good communication. There is the intention. I have an intention, I want to talk to her, to tell her about this business deal. So first thing is an intention. That's from the spiritual world, because it's something from nothing. Are you with me? An intention. I want to tell her about the fund. I see her standing over here. She seems like a powerful woman. Everybody's listening to her. She may be the CEO of the company. I want to talk to her. I have the intention. So now I need to get her attention. Are you with me? Intention, attention, and then I need to send a message. So now I'm sending the message to her. So she's going to start with attention. So I got her attention. Are you with me? She has the intention to understand me, and she's going to actually get the message. So she's going to get the message, and then the next thing is she's going to understand it. So I'm using words she can understand. Because if I'm telling him stuff in French, he's not going to understand anything. He had all the attention with me, intention to understand me, but I used the message he cannot understand. I'm speaking French to a guy who speaks English. Okay? Understand it? And then what he does, this is very powerful. He acknowledges. Then replies. And then it comes back. This acknowledgement is gold. And yet so few people do it. So he says, okay, good, got it. And then another one, he says, great. Oh, I understand. These are an acknowledgement. If somebody tells you, this is very important in communication. I notice people talk to each other and they say something like, I need this document. Well, there was the other document they need to say, okay, got it. But this is not the document we're using for the, see? Acknowledge and then respond. Acknowledge and then respond. This is so important. Example. A guy is in the basement. He yells at his wife. He's working on something in the basement. His wife is upstairs. And he says, honey, what time is it? She says, 2 o'clock. Now he's thinking, 2 o'clock. I got to take a shower. I got to change. I got to run to the bank, get the deposit done. Now she's waiting for an acknowledgement. He had the intention to ask for a time, got her attention. Honey, what time is it? She got her attention, intention to respond. She get the message. She understands it. And what happened is, she tells him, she acknowledges by saying, it's 2 p.m. But he doesn't acknowledge back. He's just thinking. So she repeats, it's 2 o'clock. So he's still thinking, okay, then maybe I don't know. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. He says, I got it. She's like, well, I'm waiting for you to. And then all of a sudden they have break in Affinity. It's so simple. You have people interviewing on the TV, and it's a very big interviewer, and she's so smart, and she's interviewing the other lady, and the other lady cries. How can your husband be in the top 10 people in Forbes, and the following year he gets arrested? And the lady cries, I can't believe that day he came with the Forbes magazine and said, I'm not going to embarrass the family like this. I'm only the 10th richest guy in the world. And the other person says, and how about the kids? Acknowledge for a moment. This must have been terrible for you that moment. Acknowledge her emotion. Little kid playing in the airport with a balloon. He's so happy with the balloon. His father is sitting on his phone. And I'm watching the kid. It's so funny. I don't know what the kid did. The balloon popped. Pow! The kid got scared, startled. All he's holding is a little thing and pieces. So the kid starts crying. But the kid was so cute. Big round face. His hair is all free. It's so cute. So everybody's laughing. What are you laughing about? The kid is crying. The hell are you laughing about? And the father is like, it's okay. I'll get you another one. Just give me one moment. And the father is like trying to finish the text. And I said, just acknowledge his emotion. He's feeling bad. Just acknowledge his emotion. And the guy was like almost embarrassed, like want to tell me mind your own business. But then as soon as he looked at his son, he says, I know, it's very sad. I'm sorry this happened. I know how you feel. Just come with me. Let's get another one. And the kid, once his emotion was acknowledged, totally relaxed. Because everybody else was laughing how cute he is. Acknowledge his emotion, validate it. They stood up, they walked. The kid is still holding that little thing with the things, like wondering what the heck just happened here. How unfair is the world, right? Went and got another balloon. which I would get two if you ask me, so put one in my pocket to inflate it right in front of me. But the thing is acknowledging, responding. This communication can only acknowledge and continue if you have what we call agreement on reality. What is the reality between two people? Agreement on reality. If you say, it's beautiful outside, and I say, yes, I agree with you, it's beautiful outside, now we have agreement, so we have affinity. Affinity, by definition, if you look it up, is tolerance of distance. We like each other, we're sitting close to each other. You're with me on this? They can tolerate each other's distance. And next thing you have is you have communication. That's how communication is established and is grown. This is the triangle of understanding. And you cannot go far in life without understanding. It is the universal solvent. I'll repeat. You want to have good relationships with people? You have to have same reality, acknowledge their reality. It builds affinity. You start liking each other. You start talking some more. The more you talk, the more you agree on reality. All this.